SIA is really a very interesting trade association that brings fierce competitors together and very effectively collaborate to take on some of the biggest challenges.
There are certain things that can only get done at the SIA.
Semiconductors have been a foundational technology that have gotten the world to where it is today.
What I really love about the semiconductor industry is you're really building something. You can actually hold your product, you can see what it does.
Life is totally dependent on technology.
Our cars are going to get smarter, they're going to get safer, our homes are going to get smarter and more efficient. Medical technology is going to be less invasive and lead to better quality of life.
The semiconductors that we're building are ending up, as the brains or the center of, this interesting, new world.
It's been driven off of basic research. It's been driven off a good university education system.
Research has been at the heart of what lets us do what we do.
We just celebrated the 50th year of Moore's Law.
Today we're in the 10, moving towards 7 nanometer range. So we are approaching a limit because we're getting down to atomic dimensions.
One of the big things that we're driving towards now is doubling down on R&D.
The SIA, by collecting all these companies together, is able to make sure that we have a voice. Now we have influence on policy for things like promoting innovation.
Human-related issues, how do you get immigration in the right place? How do you get people interested in the industry? How do you get R&D to flow from the government into universities, because we have this very unique asset in the United States? How do you keep that going?
Whether it's in education, whether it's in policy, whether it's in research funding, we are more powerful together than we are individually.
Each individual person may not be big enough to move the needle, but together we can.
My view of the future, not 5 years, I'm thinking 10 years, 20 years. This is a core technology that needs to continue to help.
The real, sort of challenge for us as leaders is to figure out how do you make that something that matters to people.
What's good for the industry, what's good for the country. And that ability to come together, I think, is one of the great attributes of the Semiconductor Industry Association.